Boo and Ba in Windy Weather by Olaf and Lena Landstrom. Boo and Ba are going shopping. It's cold outside. They take their sled. That was quick, says Ba. Quick as a bunny, says Boo. Boo and Ba buy carrots, potatoes, onions, bread, and a big cabbage. Ba pays. Boo puts the groceries in the basket. It starts to snow. We are going so slow, says Boo. Slow as a snail, says Ba. Now the wind is blowing too. Boo and Ba pull their caps down so they won't get snow in their eyes. It's harder pushing uphill. What now? The cabbage, shouts Ba. Catch it, Boo yells. How do we get the cabbage out of the snowball? Asks Ba. Let's roll it home, says Boo. Boo and Ba start rolling the cabbage. What a good idea, says Ba. Aren't we there soon? Asks Ba, panting. Funny how heavy it got, says Boo. It broke apart, cries Ba. I'm hungry, says Boo. Boo and Ba make vegetable soup. It's nice to be inside, says Ba. Lucky the snowball broke apart, says Boo. The end.